Ayani kanse mi se senior wiye na yehunu chele sabra me no kasa ide Ernest Owusu Bempah MPP Ghana Gas Wababo nten se MPP campaign ankasa omo ye no omo sideline no Ose hwe communicator te se me minim kasa na wan na MPP mu a onim kasa oso obeto me Owusu Bempah na enso ebe ya rehosem se yakogina campaign platform sumpo no ye momidin yetimi kwa Ashanti region Mehwa nkwala bi de microphone ahyehyɛ hyɛ nsɛm ɔmo kasa ɔso ogina hɔ ya na ene nwanwa enu nti lusu ye fa ne nyina no egina sampanimfo bi sideline no edumre bi kro ka bibi ɔmo mfa wate asɛm bi kra na bi a ɔma tepof no obɛfrɛ nipa saa ɔmo mfa ɔse eno ene nam so ema ene wonom tumi atimi afri ɔmo ensa na memu akwa akoti Owusu Bempah asɛm a ɔkan na bia na onhyɛ da nkai no a enchae eno ni Kevin Taylor ebenya anobaba yebi yenkohwe sa video ni kakra ansana mamo akwa video a aba otrese enei nanka omo betimi age tumi na enso wesan se na wonum ko campaign platform so a yemma ne kwan ema ne nkasa no eno eneni amoma ba wie ni sei.
Let me tell you, Kevin Taylor, this is going to be the beginning and end of you in terms of how we are going to drag you to come and face the laws of this country. Odopa market on the wall. Personally, I am going to take that initiative to make sure, say, baby, I will smoke you out. Opa market on the wall. Oh, Kevin Taylor. Say me na me start here and me die. Evidence you see me. I'm looking for you. Virginia, I want to ocean. Sa basement in ocean. Oh, sorry, no one show TV as you mama to equipment amount. And a penny be organ be organ be ordinate. Kevin Taylor, I know where you are. Odi me say, my own swear who kwadu in we. You swear no in we are. Me, Opa, you can bet with my last kobo. Baby, I will be our America. I will smoke you out. Opa market on the wall. Also, your Bema pass, Kevin Taylor, also your Bema. Jina ye, na me Owusu Bempah. Obia nya me me. Me na me say who Kevin Taylor. Me say, oh your Bema Opa, and nay, me and Tumentia, me say Tumentia. Now facing me, me banso meche u data me deba. Meche u time me deba America. Meche u date ni hour ni minute ni seconds am deba lanti e wo JFK. And now me do America Virginia on our me back through Dallas International Airport. Now me do what? Oh ya Bema, come and meet me. Let's face each other. So ya Bema power boss. Don't hide in caves. Bema be any NDC. Omo kasakeke. And I'm telling you.
Also obi ono economy timi ye basa ne Ghana fo nyina kasa na otim so person bo MPP aban na chi ose no watena sia na chese wa strategize niema bi na afi no akofa airbus asem no de abahwim afi economy airbus o kasa Ghana fo kasa o na ni nyina akwa akogina airbus scandal so into wose onim de ntia ema MPP fo etimi sideline ni afi drum rebi no ye kwa campaign platform so kra ni ema no enkasa yentie sa asem na okae no
you from the beginning. If you are anyone and Djka, you know me and you know me too well. Somebody like me, I get up in the morning, adopt a strategy to save a whole political party from a whole mess when the economy is bashing the whole government. I'm saying this on record. Economy Ghana for se come there. Ubi and Djka, then makofa airbus asemaba. Strategically, we see me there. When I'm carry airbus assembly. I'm just trying to tell you that strategy is very key important.
Afeyan konkore die nti a wo chirem sa oni enuaba afiepoku avim lady na etwetwe nkomo.
As a political party, you need to be strategic. Now we have campaign elections. Now we see you think it's all about bantering Sami Jenfi on radio and TV will win you an election. You'll be making a terrible mistake. Because I know how to set an agenda. Donald Trump won an election just only by setting, and I told you, and I've said it on other platforms, say, the man failure, winning this election is internal. And I'll repeat it anywhere, any day, any moment. You understand? Square pegs were put in round holes. Some of us were sidelined in the whole campaign operations. And it's a fact. Yes, I'm telling you the fact. Some of us, Obi a me former President Rawlings and Nanti Obi a we ni what now mine so for 19 years. Now we call campaign now we be free more. You don't know what you do. If you do, you won't do that. I was just following the bandwagon because I'm a national executive. But I wasn't assigned to any specific role to play. Obi a me Kumasi Ashanti region. Me following here almost about 2 million people. Almost per masem domi. Ubeye campaign wa Ashanti region. Uduru one campaign so are the only national officer. They don't even mention my name. They don't even give me the microphone to talk. There's so many things that happened. A Kufu at the time, that thing didn't happen. What did they make a choice? So I am telling you that there are so many things that happened. And I made sure I would say, people said square pegs were put in round holes, and I'm not a coward. I will say it and say it as it is and let the chief for where they meet. What do you say? Miami initiative now started creating something to also help the campaign, but nobody strategically added me to the mainstream. Say yes, me, I am the best political strategy. We young men in our country are one of the best political strategies in this country. Okay, campaigner, you don't. Next thing is that when you are doing an election, you listen to the body language of the individual when you go into the campaign. You call campaign only flag bearer call campaign. See you be a sort na high table, and they don't even listen to President Rawlings lecture beside you. You listen to the ordinary people, what they are saying. 1 month before election, there's a serious apathy. Asante Foso Mutuaba, Meme Bobo Bantuma, Bantuma Minamo, a taxi, a copa. Meaning what the ordinary people are saying. And yet it's difficult. Someone for someone to about 6 months down the line. What is the problem? I'm supposed to be the deputy communication director. Who colleague the crowd for telephone friend. 1 month no returning or call. So good so yeah they will say or kofa kumasi for the minim. They won't pick your calls. They won't pick your call. And for Christ's sake, former President Rawlings, I learned something from him. So, friend, 5 minutes, obe throw back. I've worked with a Kufuado. Oh, friend, obe throw back. What you say? Oh, friend, all the leaders, Djka, President Kufuor, I'm very close to him. Oh, for telephone, friend, obe throw back. This younger generation, I have politics say, oh, pick you phone, a problem. I don't know. These are some of the problems among for food. So, from be crowd information, man, Nipano will not pick their calls because some put so much to position there. Me, I'm the most visited person in Ghana Gas because every party person was visiting me to come and listen. But if you are power banner, chief executive, who are you TV so about maybe or employment way or becana some crack or peso bao. But if you are say me chief executive of a mean to be my employment, when you're ready, me as a corporate communication NDC for Nantiasia or my fan could team up Ghana Gas on the payment. Me if you me sign paper. And you know, you know, if you don't know.
What would be your role now? Would you still be doing because you're almost sidelined during the campaign?
As someone make me say, you make a tron say, me, dear Mimi rule as me play did to me, my bida, my mamma medals, oh, my bida, but my did to me, Abuami, I did to me, thou rule, that's it. You know. I've done a lot of things. The within behind the scenes, a lot of things have been done. You have no idea. The point that I'm making is when it comes to political strategy and winning elections, it's a total different thing altogether. And yet you can't say you. I'm not a novice in politics. And I'm just telling you, and people should own up and say it as it is and let the chief for where they make. What you ask my mechanic? He say you want to near own up, near man, credit, na obi hu baby etu okotwere na ye hu baby anokure no wori ka ebekoso because these are some of the days I will can edom anisa your son takrache
you
edom
na me hu ye won so takrache bi anti takrache be nti
Wanga sawe sakura, wabo sakura.
takrache Again, takracha ni so takrache kwakwa.
Minim.
And you don't know. Adetina maburu bebre wa party ni na obi kwaya dia na oni point accusing. Maybe there is something about me that they envious of. Some people are envious of, and they want to find out what. Look at the say
problem. Say there's something about you that people are envious of.
Yes, of course. And I will say it again and again and again. I will say it because I did someone I cover by I say UTV, remember we are going UTV. Make them Dana Joe, no beating Quabradi bit was a mea. Without any evidence. And Kualano Mukoyana Mekasemia. Police if I Mekasemia. You more
internal information just a wounding movie.
Information. No. Listen, I don't want to even glorify certain things. I don't want to glorify. You see, as a political party, you need to be strategic. Now we are campaign elections. Now we'll see. You think it's all about bantering Sami Jenfi on radio and TV will win you an election. You'll be making a terrible mistake.
And also Bempah can at least Owusu Bempah with that experience now. As no baby, I know be out in the crowd who casamount. And you'll be at the Kanyasumano, so casamount. But for a young guy to say miracle aboaje, eba they did the process there they did the process from Pom Boache attem, they did the Alan Chamachi attem, or pa program with you attem, or mama one is a prof, don't banter with me because you don't want to go there. Or one me cross as a program, that's it.
Miracle aboaje.
Yes.
Oh wow, that sounds like him.
Go on TV3 said Miracle Aboaje had a banter with Professor Entry. But the whole issue is that you have some of these guys, and also Bempah can at least Owusu Bempah with that experience. Or you will be partner TV so and as one kasa and yatem didie me boa because Kosia na make chira no pe say Kosia betimi dey anyama mienu. Kosia can be a dangerous weapon or it can be a good food for you. And you be betimi use Kosia dia bodua a dangerous weapon. But be betimi use Kosia na e di ami anya protein me boa. Enti no esono ba bia no enti na esi leadership e situation ano. Esono ba bia no obi a wo de no kwa ko kasama. And obi akaka ne yasoma no so ko kasama. But some of these young guys I'm
surprised that you will go to because so far no more I've seen the no more shadanye so that's a
check in Crawford or kasa na ni kasa mu no o kasa ti a omo. I've cited Professor Ade. I've cited Professor from Pom watching. I have sat on programs with him on TV3. So but he's a very brilliant guy. He talks about, but I want us to talk about issues, not to take things personally. Because meaning send nipa working hard for the reputation.
Exactly.
Meaning send about me working hard for the PhD. Our Bank of Ghana or Baya Abedi Ayunti. Na do for over 12 years on opposition. We send about me no either no didi. Because no you may be and the government is in the power. And when people hustle. The same as Obi Oton, Indomie Wakwaho, and also to be Oton Gary, and also be Oton Tomatoes. I respect those people because I respect their hustle. And here, Nyatem Didi and Yanisani Panekasa. My advice, Minia, a man for say, Metesa Okasan and Sano Casami Owusu Bempah, me dangerous. So, yeah, Meteo Casabia now can.
Mammy, taking this opportunity to explain that.
Okay, explain on.
Once a kind of Asamba, ye Musasa Danu, dear the sea, the remote cause of a problem near Chababy, near the Ababesi or near Canasa. What do you say? I am a person, I may very straightforward. If you are proclaiming me, me are some mamma chia, me man of the near. Opinion, so to a nanny padas and ye cotuabao. Now go to baby, Cocasa, out your own casa, mobile manu. Na ye do abegina social media na ye di watam so be wi abem sebi ono ma menua a oyo hima wo krom wo awia ballot papers di akɔhye dem na mo de mu pia ye betwa muti na usi ufi a ye be yo say ye be hyew ye be yo say I am an individual and I make say sebi preduasa Sebi ode sotro ko aprinkinsin fia onu so de sotro be hia. It is all the threatening me say Mimi you say ya. I'm also dangerous. I won't sit down for you to come and attack me and get away with it. Because me to me baby and I would warning ever. Say me my you say
warning what is that?
And your constituency and the appear could be constituency as anti north. And
okay.
All mabu a binum no a support to the other side. Independent candidates say Mimi baby we are abem. Abra minimum re if ya me de go we abem. Na obeti ade beti obeti na twiri Jonas ma warning e o radio so oka ade beti obeti na mrantie bi ejina ho metimi di video so nyina sende o Owusu Bempah be wi abam ene ye be shi ni fie ye be ye say internal issue. It's got something to do with MPP primaries elections and course for constituency to be independent candidate. Na me metimi ba bi
amunya MPP for
that be on MPP ni MPP candidate and appear kubi na no supporters ni bi Edminam America na ubetie na yabotwini Jonas pa na odi watem se ubewi abem ni e threaten ni e ka na omo platforms omo ka omo radio onu nko na radio station one independent candidate or radio station wagogo no mo ti radio no so e twa da pa di attempt threaten the lives of individuals. I never it got to a point whereby I said they threaten my person. Yeah, when they threaten your person, you also have the right to react, but who react here? Then they go and cut the other pieces. And I was even saying, say, you for be obey what they say, Oba Kofa ballot box. Lawyer Uti, Professor Uti, Oba Kofa ballot box. Now dear Janeno. Otiase emraye chuma because you will to me your power ukuma no makochacho of the memesi your power.
Okay.
Otiase you will to me ukuma emraye mami clarify only first person I clarify this issue and I'm glad sir I've gotten the opportunity. Otiase etiwa ufu say we are babuna obakofa ballot paper and be prepared to sign your obituary and I said that because almost came out for only no na mikokaye a professor man can be at a meme the BB war me home I can be to question. But they threaten me and they threaten my individual, they threaten my family.
But
and I had the right
to post as deputy director of communication, poster. MPP for losing. When people say that,
that is absolute barbardash for anybody to say that poster. Donald Trump who Kasa America will lose. Listen to me, baby. We are vociferous, and the party for no call for certain person to come and lead the party. We are vociferous. Now come what Guinea, Africa for no, they have their mentality and they have the way. Me, I will say it as I don't care who ox is dog. God, I will say it as it is a letter chip forward in me. What you as your Kasa says, send me call him Makumi Kudiubia.
Who didn't comfort them who heja and they need can be the man like you are saying it's almost sideline no Owusu Bempah let me have article you better one moment before you one year that call finally you know this attack on media houses people are saying you were behind it that's allegation not it.
But if you had that and you believe that I'm that powerful to cause that thing. No, but listen, if you had a make sure if you had a make sure mommy can't say the TV pa. If you are so be subine in body language in the way I sit tell and the words here. Me personally, whom in privately, me you be a me many soon baby I make castana me mommy boy so in a vigor and authority way. And that is how me papa and papa kazaza me papa me grandfather. That's how they talk with authority. And that is how it is. It's not something that me no can say. Make my voice about for, but still you will see that kind of and non say who kasana say and I said you who pessimia bunukwasiano when you also want to say. And no, say me no me be I didn't some phone from feature is a major more cause. No, listen, no. What I'm saying, don't get it right. ABAP. And Professor can be a very important say politics will be an enemy. NDC mu me nan fofo wo mu a me no mu di agro enani ne nyina my best friend pa wo NDC is Amikefi. But you don't know, we talk you any problem obi ani problem asema make an onti ase is my friend. The point that I'm telling you say obi no problem obi any problem o baby ah me go ansema amakofi bu ano e madam for me call trying to feed me come baby obi any problem obana me ne
sideline. Why do people think that you are cost one and yet say you for YouTube in Kopurun Kopo?
Asema make a Johnny say, both the political party be naba and MPP. You are vociferous, you are opinionated, you are dynamic, you are charismatic. You expect some of the youth within the party to like you because they have some claim that I have the favor from the president. Some claim this. And you will be able to yoka. And I know say mabunu sorry call UTV. I mean greater crack. Oh, kaya Asante region crack. And Asante region mabunu. And I mean na greater crack region. And this thing goes there na open what's the more no be kokana semwa. And every day things goes on. They Owusu Bempah. Minimum day. And what is the imperial test? Me call for the UTV.
But I'm asking you so that you can.
But the thing is that what Upusa your police for your investigation? Yes, I mean go. I've not seen
the police report. I'm asking you.
They make a say empirical facts proof everywhere. Sa asem no course wo no maburu bi no mo so mo ntia asem ase no ma sorry akọ UTV akọ ya na me no do I am I a youth organizer of the MPP me MPP youth organizer ubusa e na maburu no mo ko no obu free fa ne ko I don't know. I would never know up to date. I don't even know how this assumption and allegations was leveled against me. It got to a level say can make Krabi Obia UTV no relationship I come assume Jessica Kessie. Then you come to court and prove beyond reasonable doubt say men will be bow. Yes, Baba Dashina Obi Pewasemwa. No, kikanin some personal pettiness. I don't know where the thing come from. MPP and Pimpim Domino, MPP move almost about 2/3 of the party. The general runs and far. They are popular within the party. Okay. And you know,
what would be your role now? Would you still be doing because you're almost sidelined during the campaign?
They say you make a try say me the mimi rule as me play the to me my bida my medals my bida but my to me abua me aji to me that role that's it. You know I've done a lot of things.
I was Djka. Making sure so subscribe and press the notification button for more uploads. May that's all J Bre. Now share me my crowd. Bye bye.